The crypto market is in a standstill right now, but I have some very important information that I need to share with you that is going to be affecting the crypto market massively. So if you hold Shiba Inu, if you hold Dogecoin or any altcoin, make sure you stay until the very end of this video. Now, this big event is going to be on Thursday, and cryptocurrencies are just going to be at a standstill until that very point. But I think there could be some bullishness for the next couple of days. But ultimately, I believe we are going to be heading lower this week in anticipation of the data that's coming out. This data is going to be the CPI, which is the Consumer Price Index, which measures and monitors inflation month over month. And inflation has not been showing itself to cool down as much as everyone has been wanting and expecting. And that's why the crypto market has crashed for the last 30 days. We were all expecting a very bullish CPI, and it did not happen. So guess what? Cryptos have been crashing ever since. But this CPI, we don't know what it's going to say. We don't know what it's going to be. But this CPI could potentially change the crypto market for the immediate short term in the next couple of months if we get inflation coming in under expectations. Remember when cryptos, Shiba, Ethereum pumped the last couple of months crazily? That was because we had an under expectation CPI reading. If we get that this week on Thursday, we are going to see an extremely bullish reaction in the market. If we do not get that, ladies and gentlemen, we are most likely going to continue to head lower and lower until we can start to get some bullish numbers showing that the CPI is showing inflation is slowing down. Once inflation can start to show itself slowing down, that's when the crypto market is going to start recovering and bouncing up. And guess what? We can notice that housing prices are coming down. Used car prices are coming down. Inflation is certainly coming down. That is certainly a good thing. So we can see inflation is starting to come down with a lot of things around us, wherever you are at. So that is a good sign. So those signs are going to start to be reflected potentially in this month's CPI. But let me show you what's happening on the charts right now. Very important, so continue to stay until the end. You cannot miss what I have for you in this video. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have Shiba Inu. We have all these different cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin. Everything is just trading sideways. Nothing much is happening because everyone is just waiting on the sidelines for this CPI to come out. Now, understand that between now and CPI, there's going to be some green days and there's going to be some red days. But ultimately, I think we are going to have a lot of people start to sell off and anticipate bearish news because any type of data that has come out, just like on Friday, on Thursday, it's crashing the markets. Every data that has been coming out for the past several months, except for one time, has been crashing the market. So anticipate that there is the likeliness, the highest likeliness of a crash and bad news to come out. But there is a bullish case scenario, which I'm warning you all right now can happen. And if it does happen, it's going to be very, very good news for cryptos for the next 30 days. And then we have another 30 days for the next CPI. And when that comes out, there's more bullish news. Guess what? We're going to start to experience more bullishness. Now, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade signals on the internet, join the Patreon right now, where I personally am giving buy and sell alerts weekly, where we are making profits weekly in the Patreon. Highly recommend you join right now so you can take advantage of all this volatility that's happening, where we are selling before crashes, buying the dips. When they bounce up, we're making money, taking profits. Whole bunch of things that are happening in the Patreon. I highly recommend you join this massive profitable community. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and notifications on. I will see you all tomorrow.